Bring next-level performance to your living room with the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos for a true cinematic experience, powered by the advanced Tegra X1 Plus processor. With AI upscaling, even HD content looks sharper, while extra storage, gaming support, and built-in Google Assistant make streaming smarter and more powerful. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, Shield Remote, Power Cord, Quick Start Guide and Support Booklet. Want to grab the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Shield TV is compact, stealth, and designed to disappear behind your entertainment center, right along with your cables. Motion-activated, backlit buttons, including a user-customizable button, voice control, Bluetooth control, an IR blaster to control your TV, even a built-in lost remote locator. You've never seen a Shield remote like this before. Bring your home theater to life with Dolby Vision, HDR, and Dolby Atmos, delivering ultra-vivid picture quality and breakthrough sound. Upscale HD video in real time to 4K for clearer, crisper visuals using next-generation AI image enhancing and the power of the NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor. Using the power from the latest NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor. Upscale HD video to 4K using the power of artificial intelligence. Crisper, clearer, video enhanced to 4K resolution in real time. Over 5,000 plus apps available on the Google Play Store. Enjoy the most 4K HDR entertainment. Cut the cord with live sports and DVR. Stream from Chromecast apps, even show off your Google Photos. Specifications. Setup. Plug the Shield TV into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power adapter to an outlet. For the best picture, use a 4K HDR-compatible HDMI port. The Shield powers on automatically when connected. The Shield remote comes automatically paired with your Shield TV, so there's no extra setup needed. Simply press the select button to get started and navigate through the on-screen setup process. Choose your Wi-Fi or connect an Ethernet cable for faster speeds. Then sign in with your Google account to access apps, the Play Store, and Google Assistant. Once complete, your Shield TV is ready for entertainment. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. See you in the next one.